YouTube, man? It's your boy Ty, man, back with another update. So, as y'all can see, man, today, man, we took a L. Well, really a lesson because I did learn from my mistake today. But as you can see, man, overall, man, we still up 120% gains. Still sitting at $5,000 in profit. And you gotta keep in mind, man, this is only the beginning of the month. Last month, man, we cleared 200%, and this is just the first week of March. Uh, we did end up taking, like I said, a lesson today. The drawdown percentage had hit 28% for the month or whatever, but drawdown maximum now is at 30%. Like I've been saying since the first video, I have a strict drawdown restriction of 30% of my equity. I do not blow accounts. Um, walking clean straight into the market next week. No open trades, no open positions. Everything is gonna be clean, clear, and free. So now what I'm about to do is share my screen so I can give y'all an idea of the trades. All right, so as you can see now, balance is sitting at $26,362. If we go to history, as you can see today, lost 11,395, guys. For the week, was only down 3,000, so majority of that was just profit from this week. And then if you look at the month, still up $5,000, man, like I just showed y'all. So, and as you can see as well, too, this is Ty's PAMM. So, if you're still interested about getting in, if you want to join the Telegram, the link is below. You can follow me on Instagram and add me on Facebook as well, because this is not about to stop. As y'all can see, this is why I keep a real strict 30% of my capital risk. Still got close to $30,000 going into the market next week. I'm going to be able to take the positions that I want to take, and you'll see how I run this right back up, guys. Like I said, I did 200% last month, so if you look at that like 25% a week, man, it won't take me nothing. Watch. Y'all just stay tuned, man. But that's Forex, man. You don't always win, man. You don't always have those grand slams. Past performance isn't indicative of future results. So see y'all in the next video, and peace.